Hello guys and welcome to another comparison. I am Catalin from Stereospecs and today, yes, we are going to compare the JBL Xtreme 4 versus the JBL Boombox 3. This is the ultimate Bluetooth speaker showdown. Okay guys, so get ready for an epic battle of the Bluetooth giants. In this video we'll put the JBL Xtreme 4 and the JBL Boombox 3 head to head and uncover which one reigns supreme. Join us as we compare their sound quality, portability, battery life and special features. Okay guys, so the sound quality of these two speakers is insane. Both speakers boost powerful bass and clear mids, but the Boombox 3 takes it up a notch with its larger woofers and dedicated tweeters. The Xtreme 4's compact size gives it a slightly more balanced sound, while the Boombox 3 offers a more immersive experience. In terms of portability, the Xtreme 4 is the clear winner here, weighing in at less than half the weight of the Boombox 3. Its compact design and built-in carrying strap makes it easy to take it anywhere. The Boombox 3, while not as portable, still features a rugged handle and wheels for easier transportation. In terms of battery life, the Boombox 3 reigns supreme with a whopping 24 hours of playtime compared to the Xtreme's 4 15 hours. Both speakers support fast charging, allowing you to quickly power them up in a pinch. As special features, the Xtreme 4 includes a built-in power bank to charge your devices, while the Boombox 3 features a built-in bottle opener for those summer parties. Both speakers have Bluetooth 5.1 for improved connectivity and range. The size and the weight on these things, the JBL Boombox 3 is significantly larger and heavier than the JBL Xtreme 4. The Boombox 3 measures 25.4 with 90.5 and 15.2 inches and weighs 18.4 pounds, while the Xtreme 4 is 13 with 5.9 and 5.9 inches and weighs 6.3 pounds. If portability is a priority, the Xtreme 4 is the clear winner. Okay guys, so in terms of loudness and bass, the JBL Boombox 3 is significantly louder than the Xtreme 4 with a thunderous bass response that can shake the room, ideal for outdoor parties or large gatherings. So the JBL Xtreme 4, on the other hand, has a modestly loud with a more controlled bass that is still punchy and satisfying, suitable for medium-sized rooms or outdoor excursions. So guys, whether you prioritize portability, sound quality or battery life, this video will help you make an informed decision between the JBL Xtreme 4 and the JBL Boombox 3. Stay tuned as well. We reveal our verdict and declare the ultimate Bluetooth speaker champion. Okay guys, so let's hear them both and we'll be back after the sound test with a conclusion.
Just wish he knew. I just wish he knew.
JBL has established a reputation for producing exceptional portable Bluetooth speakers, and two of their most popular models are the JBL Boombox 3 and the JBL Xtreme 4. In conclusion, both the JBL Boombox 3 and the JBL Xtreme 4 offer excellent sound quality, but they cater to different needs. The Boombox 3 is ideal for those who prioritize loudness and bass, while the Xtreme 4 is a better choice for those who value clarity, detail, and portability. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific preferences and usage scenarios. So guys, thank you so much for being with me in this video, in this comparison of the JBL Boombox 3 and the JBL Xtreme 4. Don't forget to like the video, share if you like my work, and subscribe to become my friend. And don't forget, stay tuned and stay safe. See you next time, guys.